It's a block.
I don't want a box for Christmas.
Open it up. What is it?
Oh, yes! Mom, look!
Oh, cool.
Another Mustang?
Oh,
Yay! Oh, just what you wanted.
Let me-
Look at Precious.
Anna,
What is it, Bella?
Anna, is this for me or?
Brushes?
Yeah.
Paint brushes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know.
Okay, I was just asking.
Hey, I got the same one.
Thank you, though.
Yeah. Look how cute this
It's
is.
like a heavy one.
Here, let's see.
Kinda heavy.
Why do I keep getting the same thing?
That one has rocks in it.
You got
Oh, you
this?
got the same thing.
I'll give the receipt to your mom.
Oh, you got two of them.
I got him one too.
What is it, a model or is it a car?
It's a Lego.
Oh, Lego?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Everybody was going for the same thing for you.
Alright. I'll pay you.
I just wanted.
Just what I wanted.
What's it?
Just what I wanted. Oh, it's a beach, and you can't lose
No, that's what passes out.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
It's a beach house.
That's what this one is.
Thank you, Mom.
Eddie.
No.
Everybody say hello to Matthew.
Hi, Tito. We love you and we miss you very much.
Merry Christmas.
That Beats Audio. These are the best ones.
You want a box?
It's a
This is the most.
And guess what? Guess what she does, Bella? She goes pee pee.
Does she have a toilet?
Yep. She goes right in the toilet.
Wow.
Any toilet.
oh look it! It's a baby.
Another
For
baby.
your baby. I mean, you have a baby already?
Yeah.
But she loves babies.
Show your dad what you got, Esteban.
Which one do you want me to show him?
Anything you want to show him.
You like those?
The guy got
Show
Cool.
Tio.
Oh, very nice.
Mom, where's my old one? Is that mine? Sorry.
Yeah, they're like old school. I like them. Like
It's
them.
upside down.
Oh.
Right here.
No,
Still upside down.
he can't see. There you go. It's a fancy Ford Mustang.
You know, Mom?
It's a mustache PC.
Show him your rock collection.
Another one.
Oh. And also I got a
Shelby.
Look at Tio. Look at.
Oh, another Barbie.
Hot Wheel Mustang. Cup little girl and all that. Mustang.
Rocks.
We got a bunch of little here.
Give me some scissors.
Video games.
And you didn't get any underwear?
Yeah, this is very,
Go get me some scissors in the